At 10 Point Complete, we work with organizations that understand one simple truth: every customer interaction matters. Over the years, we have been especially successful in the automotive industry, where speed, responsiveness, and follow-through directly impact revenue and customer satisfaction. We support automotive dealerships, service centers, and multi-location operations by handling inbound calls, appointment scheduling, overflow support, after-hours coverage, and post-service follow-up, making sure no lead or customer inquiry is ever missed. Beyond automotive, we have also worked with a wide range of service-based businesses that rely on consistent, professional communication to deliver great experiences and keep operations running smoothly. What sets 10 Point Complete apart is our ability to adapt to the specific needs of each industry and organization. We do not believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Instead, we align our agents, workflows, and technology with your processes, your brand voice, and your customer expectations. Every interaction is logged, tracked, and managed using enterprise-grade CRM and ticketing systems, giving our clients full visibility into call volume, response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction. Our success is measured by real outcomes: stronger customer relationships, improved efficiency, higher satisfaction scores, and long-term partnerships built on trust and performance. If your business depends on meaningful conversations and reliable customer support, 10 Point Complete is built to support you every step of the way.